Physical therapist Kathryn Sawyer, Director of Clinical Education for Tufts University School of Medicine's Doctor of Physical Therapy program, shares insights on back injuries and their prevention. She discusses the mechanics of sudden, intense low back pain, encourages positive movement during acute pain, and highlights the importance of consulting a physical therapist for a personalized home program. Sawyer advocates for mindful movement, dispels myths about squats, and emphasizes the role of mental well-being in the healing process. Additionally, she addresses desk posture, debunking the idea of a single, perfect posture and providing ergonomic tips.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.